All right, so we are back with another review and for another gifted product. This is a toy blaster. So there are two different colors. We got green and yellow. Two guns. And then there's also another one that has the little Velcro that you can throw. And it is set up like this. So we are going to load this one up with green balls and we're gonna get started. All right, can you push them in there? Oh, it's kind of hard. Ready? Yay! Oh, push. All right, Colton, are you ready? So what you have to do is pull this back. Hold right here. Hold right here. And push it. Whoa! Ready? Oh. Almost. You did it! Wait, watch out for your brother. You did another one! Yay! Here, Mommy, help you again? No, you're better, huh? Oh, almost. Almost.